Hey folks, this is Jim at Gaming coming to you. Got a psychotic error over here. We are at the Lowe's and we're going to be making a green screen frame so that we can do some streaming online with the green screen behind us and have some upgrade our stream quality so our performances are more fun.
Yep.
We made some designs at home. I made some designs at home. Okay, I made some drawings. Kind of a shopping list here. I didn't bring it with me, but it's a pretty basic frame, so I kind of know what we're looking for. We'll make the cuts when we get home. So that's what we're looking at right now. So we're at the Lowe's in Clearwater having a good time. Here's the Lowe's. We're not sponsored by Lowe's, but this is where we're going. Alright, what are we doing here?
We are getting 4 5-foot 3/4 inch pipes.
That's right. What's this for?
The green screen.
Right, so this is what we're going to build the screen frame out of. So the screen's actually going to be spread on these pipes.
We need 2 3/4 inch elbows.
Okay. Alrighty.
We need to get 4 3/4 inch tees. We need 4 3/4 inch tees. So we are going to need 4 3/4 inch caps.
Alright folks, we just did our shopping in the Lowe's. We got all the PVC fittings we needed, the pipes, the elbows, the couplings, and everything. So we're gonna got our PVC pieces all cut up. Show you how that's done. Alright, so here's our cut list today. We've got 4 5-foot sections of PVC. We're doing 3/4 inch PVC. We've got 2 90-degree elbows. We've got 4 T-joints. This is all 3/4 inch. We've got 6 connecting points, calipers I think. I forgot what they call them. And we've got 4 caps. Okay?
Couplings.
Sorry, 6 couplings and 4 caps. We took one of our pieces, a 5th piece of 5 foot, and we cut up into 4 close to even sections. Alright, using it, we used some PVC cutting clips, and I was measuring it with a tape measure. I have my awesome assistant over here. Alright, he's been a great helper today. Alright, and then we're back here. We already took one of these and we cut it up. We're going to start with our long piece of PVC pipe, and we're going to cut it with these. And there you go. These 4 sections are going to make up, with the T-joints, the base of the frame. Ready? Set? Alright, there we go. The next step, we're going to take these 4 caps and we're going to put them on the ends, 2 ends of our bases so that they have a nice smooth end on the end. So we'll get ready to go. 3, 2, 1. Alright, we're back. We measured our green screen at being about 52 inches, so we're going to go to 48 inches. That'll allow us some room so we can clip onto the PVC. So we're going to trim out our PVC pieces to 48 inches to make a nice frame to hold the green screen on. Well folks, it's done. We finished our green screen frame. It's right behind us here. We used our PVC pipes. We cut them down to 48 inches for the height. It was still a little bit tall, so we've got to recut those a little bit later to get a tighter fit, but the green screen is behind me. Pretty much this is what it looks like from the webcam, so it covers up everything. Well, we're done with it now, so we will be incorporating this into our future live streaming events where we are on the screen. Perhaps some other video streams or vlogs that we may do. We may find some fun background pictures behind us as we do future posts online. Well, thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe to the video below, and follow us on Instagram or GMAD Gaming. On Instagram, we're also on Twitch. And of course, you're seeing this on the YouTube station. So, and we're on Facebook. We're all there. All those things you can link to. So thank you very much for watching our video and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.